quick review on the 72-inch brush cutter. This model is made by Power Brake, but there are a couple of different white labels that they go under. One is JCT, the other is Wolverine. One of our favorite features about this model is the bypass. What this is a hydraulic one-way check valve. And one of the challenges with these style of mowers is they do not free spin. Pretty much anything hydrostatic has trouble with neutral, so to speak. And so what happens if you let off the hydraulic flow too fast, it'll instantly stop that mower, and you have all that momentum and centrifugal force, and it'll want to tear your mowers up. There's a lot of US-based brands that do not have that, and when you stop, it'll almost tear that thing off the front of your machine. And so this basically, once the fluid stops moving, it allows the fluid to circulate through there, basically letting that momentum slow down slowly and allowing that blade just to free spin for a little while. Great mowers, light duty, lightweight frame. That's one downside to them, but for what they are, the price value point, we think they're really good.